Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious iced cacao. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need high-quality cacao powder, your favorite sweetener, and about 1 cup of milk, such as almond or oat. Don't forget plenty of ice cubes for that perfect chill. A shaker bottle or a simple spoon and glass will also be helpful for mixing everything together seamlessly. Now let's create the rich cacao base. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of cacao powder with 1 tablespoon of your chosen sweetener. Next, add just a splash, about 2 tablespoons of hot water. Stir this mixture vigorously until it forms a smooth, thick paste. This concentrated cacao syrup ensures a deep, consistent flavor throughout your drink, avoiding any powdery residue. With your cacao paste ready, it is time to assemble your refreshing drink. Fill a tall glass with plenty of ice cubes. Then pour the rich cacao paste directly over the ice. Next, add about 1 cup of your preferred milk, whether it is dairy, almond, or oat. Stir everything thoroughly with a spoon, or if using a shaker, shake well for about 15 seconds until fully combined. Finally, it is time to personalize and enjoy your iced cacao. Feel free to add a dash of vanilla extract or a pinch of cinnamon for extra flavor complexity. For a decadent touch, top your drink with whipped cream and a light dusting of cacao powder. Serve your perfectly chilled, homemade iced cacao immediately and savor every delightful sip. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.